been with Mercy for nearly 3 years. Regardless my mom warnings to me concerning love, my mom believed that I am still too naive for it. But I never give her any listening ear until I lost it all and gave my heart so deeply in love with Mercy. Mercy and I had celebrated holiday together. We have done so much together. We have been together. She have seen my full range of emotion, my full range of sadness, anger and joy. We have grown together. But then one day, Mercy told me that she's no longer in love with me. I was so devastated. Because for weeks I felt that pain. I drank heavily in hopes to distract myself. I even wept openly. I wept openly in front of my friends. Honestly, losing a love that I have fallen so deeply in, it's so painful. It's